starting point guard, senior number 10, Josh Robie.
He did a nice job of maintaining his balance. Robie into the paint, gets the runner up, and reaching in for the steal is Robie. He anticipated that nicely, and with taking threes, I think. Robie gets the runner up, and Caden Wakeham. He's a heck of a junior player for this team. Robie from the corner, and that's good. He was going to go coast to coast, but he lost the dribble, so he pulls it back out.
Oh, they better get up on him.
And he takes the long three, and that's good. And Josh Robie now being paid attention to by Lord, and he taking the ball to himself was Aikens, no good, and Robie a lot. He tries to go by Lord, gets the runner up, and good. Bluff holds, finds Robie cutting to the basket. They didn't do that. Come to think of it, they never do. Long three by Robie, and that's good. Far by Leslie on that one. Robie goes to the basket and avoiding the foul with.
He can put some points on the board in a hurry.
Long three by Robie and called. Robie from the baseline, and that's good. Rodriguez and Hoskins. Hand off to Robie as he pulls up from the free throw line, and there by Wakeham. Robie will pull back and take the three, and that's good. Cross now, Hadlock saves it, and reaching in for the steal is Robie. He goes coast to coast and lays it. Josh Robie closes out the night with 47 points. And he goes right by Walker, pulls up and runs into a couple of people and sent up ahead for Robie, who lays it up. I
think if they look to continue to attack that.
Well, up at the other end, Robie.
And that baseline on that zone.
Robie with a three. He wanted a baseball pass for Wakeham, but thought better of it. Now the runner is up and banked, but Leslie finds it back to Robie. The runner is up and go down. Robie gets it up and loses up ahead for Robie. He's got a couple seconds, and he lays it up.
Limit, Josh Robie and Leslie. That's for sure.
Anyway, 15 seconds to go. That three is good.
Really can handle the ball pretty well for profile.
Robie with the runner by Boudreau. He tries to go to the ball.
Nice
Great
pass.
no look. Clough has been the recipient of some nice passes in this game. Here's a three.
3-point if it goes. Shot attempt. Driving, it doesn't go. Offensive rebound. 3 if it goes. And a steal by the Patriots. Shot attempt. Long shot attempt. Three-point attempt.
Pulls the rebound away, but then loses it to Leslie, who finds Robie behind the group. And Robie lobs a three, and that's good.
Get away from him.
Leslie now feeds Robie for three, and that's good. Robie tries to go by Hadlock, forces his way in, and banks it up and good.
And this profile defense has extended out to that three-point line. It's really made a difference.
Smaller Robie on him, but now he throws it right into the hands of Josh Robie, who goes coast to coast.
You gotta wave when the camera goes around.
Leslie throws it up ahead, gets it to Robie. Robie! Here we go. Goes back down to Robie. There's the launch. Around. There goes Josh Robie. Robie. Josh Robie launches another one. Oh, wide open, Waco. You get too distracted. There they go, up ahead. There's Robie. Layup. Up to Robie. Robie takes it, scoops.
Off the front of the rim, rebound. Clough throws it ahead to Robie. Basket up and good for Josh Robie. And Josh Robie has just passed a significant milestone in the scoring history of New Hampshire basketball, and for here at Profile High School, he has just surpassed 2,000 points, and he made
On Hoskins. If he gets a third, that'll be hurt then bad.
High post, Lord had it knocked away.
Oh, this is big. You better pick up Robie. Nice pass.
Oh, great little out.
That's the thing with Josh on the floor. Profile's never really out of it, that's for sure.
We just took the ball out of the hands of Dre Aikens that time, and a little Euro step, and he banks it up and good into the hands of Carson Robie. Josh Robie gets the runner up, and he banks it in.
There at one point in the first half.
Long three by Josh Robie, and that's good. Josh Robie tries to go to the basket, gets the floater up, and he banks it in, which is just in this quarter.
I was going to say, I think Littleton needs to get somebody at that free throw line at that high post that can hit that.
Handed off now to Caden Wakeham, who hit those 2 threes at the beginning of the quarter. Long three by Robie, and that's good.
Neither, fortunately.
And that should pretty much do it.
Profile will win their first championship in about 20 years, I believe, Jonathan. I know they won it back in the early 2000s, like 2004-ish, I believe.
And it's pretty appropriate that the ball ends up in the hands of Alex Leslie.